Hi everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company is specialized in the commercial diesel parts. Today, I will introduce you one of our hot sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly is the packages, the blue VCI intervals back here. This is the label. And the first line of the label is our Shumatt's brand, and the product code is F00RJ02213. Logo, label, packaging, etc. support customized service. And then let's check the inside. Transparent vault avoid some damages during the translation, and inside is the oil paper to wrap it up. Each product we Shumatt supply 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers will receive the packages. If you are not set with the quality, it's okay, return or exchange, so you have the quality guaranteed. For this valve assembly, it's applicable for 04451200050 and 04451200041. Clean this kind of valve assembly, please use the oil to clean it. And we'll install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Deal with coating figures on the valve cap. So much for this one. At last, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.